Shit. I'll be right back. Hey! Kickstand! Kickstand! What's up, YouTube? Welcome to a what is this, a DRZ ride? I know, hold on, I'll tell you about it. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to a video here on the DRZ, the Supermoto. Stop right there. We're gonna go down to Tampa, where we got pulled over first, and do a little ride. So my buddy Andre is on my bike back there. I know him from my previous life, been in my wedding. We rode big bikes together, etc., etc. He's in town. He's living in North Carolina now, and I want him to come out on a ride. He wants to get a Grom possibly. So I was gonna ride the Coast to Coast bike, but I don't have a tag for it, and it was all in pieces. So I strapped together a DRZ, put a new battery in it. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I have a backup battery in my backpack, so hopefully it lasts for a little bit, and we're not pushing this thing. But what do you guys think? The DRZ, should it make a comeback? Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more DRZ videos. I know a couple of you guys have been asking for them. All right, we're going to pick it up down the road once we pick up the rest of the guys. Anyway, we'll see how this battery holds up, but we're going to stop by the FedEx lot, see who we can gather.
I'm trying to beat people are looking all over.
A cop was like right next to us in like an unmarked. He had his windows down. He look.
You.
Huh?
He was glaring at
I waved at him. He didn't even wave back.
at your bike, dude.
Yeah. Oh well.
He was right next to me at the light.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
When I turned.
I'm pretty sure he saw you go through the grass.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So, because he was staring me down, I waved to him and he just stared.
That's why I waved at to him. He didn't wave back.
Yeah.
Rude.
I was worried about my bike was.
Yeah, your bike's the only legal. Oh yeah, you had to. I can see the kickstand from the light. Like kickstand. We're doing a little pit stop at the stunt lot real quick. So I put a 15 front sprocket in here. Oh, that's a dangerous spot. And it's less torquey. I want to try second gears like this. It's pretty similar. You don't have the torque to kind of pull it back, but it's not that bad. You want to do it? Alright, I'm going to take a break. We'll pick it back up on the road. I'm going to put my hoodie on, bro. My butt crack keeps hanging out. Hold that real quick. Alright, hey, you lead us, alright? You're in charge, bud. Alright, we're going to get back on the Supermoto. Andre is on my Grom. There she is. So, yeah, I put a 15 tooth instead of the 14 tooth up front. We got Brandon here now. Jesus. Almost took out his fucking ankles. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Gotta remember where these fucking switches are. Oh, look at that headlight. That's horrible. So high up here. The streets, the sun has set. Supermoto is not going to be doing too many wheelies, if any. I have big things planned for this bike, amongst the stock to knock bike and everything else. So a lot of things have to happen before I get to this guy again, but I definitely have plans for this little girl here. We got a sub cage from Full Metal Stunts that we got to put on. some new plastics, a new gas can, some new tires, some other stuff. So there's good stuff going to happen to this bike eventually, but we got to finish stock tonight. So some of you guys in the last video were asking about how do you guys enter to be included on that giveaway. So there'll be a link down below to the Patreon, my Patreon. There's all the links, or excuse me, all the information on the rules and regulations on how to enter, link down there. So just go head over there and give it a read if you want to enter to win it. All the information will be back there. Hello, Andre. Pop it up! Pop it up! Turn the headlight on and off. I think how shitty the headlight is. Definitely something going on with the batteries there. All my bikes, the batteries have something wrong with them. I don't know what it is. There it goes! Now you got a headlight. A little bit better. When I get home, I'm going to take the multimeter and put it on and see what it looks like. If it didn't drain past 12.5, then maybe it's good. I don't know. Everyone I talk to says it should be at like 14. I don't know much about batteries though. This thing is... He's got a whole road! This bike is scared of wheeling. I always have like I do this when I wheel. I go, bleh, bleh. Like I give it the full throttle to kind of figure out where it needs to be at, and then I let off, and then oh shit, I gotta give it gas to keep it up. So it's like extra torquey. It fucking pulls your ass off your bike for a second. It's just not enough seat time. It's like anything else. You gotta have a good amount of seat time to kind of be able to do this shit. Why's my bike smoking? His shit? That's what's smoking? I thought this thing was on fire. I thought one of my headlight wires. Huh? I overfilled it. It's a two-stroke, bro. Yeah, bye-bye oil. I got that premix. Your rings are gone, bro. Hey. I did. You didn't see them? They're like that big. I'm like, ah! It's been doing this since I put the cylinder on it. Mine? Is it? look where the fucking light goes. There, it's off. Oh! I just zip tied my headlight on, so promo cop up here. So now it's facing a little high. There, it's a little bit better. That fucking headlight's clapped, right? It's going out. You just gotta give it gas. I don't know. Give the headlight gas? Yeah. You gotta. Oh no! Oh. Bird scooter. No, lime scooter. See? They're fucking everywhere. It's so beautiful outside. Early October, late September, early October in like a day. Beautiful, man. I love Florida this time of the year. Oh shit. Goddamn, Brandon. He's trying to jump kick this. Go ahead, man. Brandon, watch out! You gotta get rid of her. That was like an aggressive honk. An aggressive whistle blow right there. Oh, you didn't hear the whistle blowing, man? Yeah, I'm blowing his whistle. Oh, fuck. Oh, I killed so much myself. Can't be doing it on the trolley tracks and get ran over. Mandatory roundabout. There's always one guy with no chill, and that's Brandon. We're just doing one little circle. He's gotta take the minivan on the inside. What a bitch horn. Hey, watch where you're going, Brandon. Look at this thing fucking tweaking out. Bird scooter. No chill. We're gonna do a marathon bathroom break. What do you think? You like the Groms?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it. Not the motion, but I just ride.
Just riding?
Like, oh yeah, come on.
Police chopper! So if you were to get a Grom, would it be stunt? Would it be more like his? That's okay, man. Grom's a Grom. I'd like my kid to grow up to play hockey, but if he plays baseball, that's fine. So Andre gets a
It's America's game. What's wrong with you?
yeah, turn this off before my battery dies. We're gonna take a break at the marathon, pick it back up on the road. Chopper's up tonight, I think. No chill. Oh shit! John's got a fucking nail sticking out. Huge ass nail. Yeah, that's a big nail, bud. Let loose! These people are banging over here. Yeah. Whoa! Holy shit! I don't think you meant to do that much. Whoa! This is boring. I want a Grom. Sell the Supermoto, get a Grom. That's what I want to do. He's got to drive early in the morning. He's got to get back to my house. I don't want to push my luck on this thing either. Look at it. It's shining your fucking... Go ahead, headlight. Shining the choppers, man. Alright, see you later. Alright, we're going to break off here. Andre's got a load he's got to pick up in Lakeland tonight. He now drives big trucks, big rigs. So he's got to go do that thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully he gets one and joins us out on some rides. Thumbs up. Okay.